Okay, so hello guys! At ako nga po pala si Jazel De Vera at may nagbabalik sa channel na ito. So if you're new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell para makapanood ka ng may iba't ibang videos about home-based jobs at anything na pwedeng pagkakitaan online. So guys, as you know that 2020 really forced us to learn more about online transactions like e-wallets, ayan kung paano tayo magpasa ng money from one place to another via online. Kasi 'di ba in this time of pandemic, we have to limit ourselves from going outside para ma-minimize yung exposure natin sa mga iba't ibang tao. Most especially when paying bills, 'di ba? Kasi pila-pila yan. Of course, pati na rin sa pagpapadala ng pera or remittances. Kaya naman in today's video, I'm going to share to you an easier way for us to do online transactions. Kaya naman I want you to stay tuned until the end of this video para wala kayong ma-miss na kahit anong information. Alright, so one application that could help us with this kind of transaction is ML Wallet. So this is under M. Luwilier. And as we all know guys, M. Luwilier, diba? It's a very well-known remittance center and sanglaan ng bayan, diba? So like everywhere guys, makikita nyo yung mga branches nila nationwide. Pati na rin sa online world guys, ay sinakop na nila. Kaya maganda pong simulan na natin gamitin itong si ML Wallet. The all-new ML Wallet is here and I think this is their new update. And what is good here guys is mas mabilis na with the 5-minute registration process and mas madali na ang online transactions with ML Wallet's refreshed look. Right now guys, I'm going to teach you kung paano nga ba tayo makakapag-sign up for an account dito sa pinakabagong version ni M. Luwilier Wallet. So yung ipapakita ko sa inyo dito was screen recorded na kasi nag-sign up na ako a while ago. You can click the link on the description box below for you to download the application. It is available on Google Play and App Store. For you to start, click on create account. You have to input your username. So dapat po minimum of 8 characters in length and combination of letters and numbers. Once you're done, you have to fill in some personal information. So pagkatapos nun guys, mag-i-input na kayo ng inyong password. Minimum of 8 characters in length, at least 1 number and at least 1 special character. So dapat talagang panglabanan yung inyong password, no? And right after that, you have to provide your 6-digit transaction PIN. Right after that, you have to input some personal information. And pagkatapos nun guys, ilalagay nyo yung inyong complete address. And ngayon guys, nasa 3rd step na tayo on our registration. Ang kailangan naman nating i-provide dito is your valid ID. So ayan, kahit isa po sa kanila na meron kayo, pwede po kayo makapag-register dito. And in my case guys, I choose my driver's license. Place your ID within the frame and take picture and make sure you're in a well-lighted area. So, dapat po nasa loob ng square. So dito naman guys is kailangan po nila tayong kuhanan ng live photo. Kung ano talaga yung hitsura mo during that time na nag-register ka, yun talaga yung masusunod. Make sure you're in a well-lighted area. Step 2, position your face within the frame. Step 3, blink both eyes to take a live photo. And humahanap pa ako ng magandang angulo ko, no? Pagpasensya niyo na. So, ibo-blur ko na lang kasi nakakahiya. Taligay mukha namin dyan. So, yan. Once everything's okay, you can click on next. And dito naman tayo sa security question. Dito guys, pipili lang kayo dito ng 3 security questions. And also, you have to provide your answer kasi yun yung itatanong nila sa atin kung magkaroon man tayo ng aberya whenever we log in. So, pag nagkaroon tayo ng problems, ayan. So, dapat po talaga kayo lang po nakakaalam ng sagot na ilalagay nyo rito. So, ngayon guys, nasa last step na po tayo ng ating registration process. And this time naman, magpaproceed na tayo sa OTP. Ibigay nyo lang yung inyong phone number and magte-text sila sa inyo ng PIN and you have to input it dito sa ating ML Wallet. Alright, so ang sabi dito is congratulations, you are registered as fully verified user. And ayan guys, makikita nyo, you are fully verified na, diba? Ang bilis-bilis. And right now guys, itutur ko lang kayo sa mga bagong features ni ML Wallet app. Of course, here you can add money. Ayan, makakapag-cash in po kayo sa mga M. Luwilier branches. So it means guys, over the counter po ito. So guys, this is really good if wala kang pagkukuhanan ng e-money, like wala kang bank account, wala kang ibang e-wallets, like nagsisimula ka pa lang talaga. And also, you have the option then from bank to wallet. And right now guys, proceed naman tayo dito sa send money. Dito guys, makakapag-send ka ng money wallet to wallet, like ML Wallet user to another ML Wallet Wallet user. And meron din tayo ditong kwarta padala. So, kwarta padala means padadalhan mo is marireceive po nila sa ML branches. And meron din po silang option dito na wallet to bank. Like, from your ML wallet, may ipapasa mo siya to another bank account. So, on the third part, we have here receive money. And dito naman guys, makakatanggap tayo ng pera domestic. It means local. All you have to do is just to input your transaction number, the amount, the sender's first name, and the last name. International naman guys, you have to input your transaction number, the currency, the amount, partner's name if ever may pagkukuhanan kayo from these companies na makikita natin on the screen right here. And of course, sender's name. And of course, dito naman tayo sa withdraw money. So guys, it's really simple. You just have to input the amount you have to withdraw and makikita nyo na po dito yung inyong charges and yung total po ng inyong transaction. And what I like about ML Wallet is meron na po sila ditong pay bills. Like, you don't have to go through long queue, 'di ba? Kasi nga iniiwasan na nga nating ma-expose, 'di ba, sa mga iba't ibang tao para makaiwas tayo dito sa virus na kumakalat. That's why sinasabi ko nga na it's really helpful for us to have ML Wallet by our side. Guys, ayan, marami po silang mga iba't ibang klaseng bills na pwede nating bayaran. Ayan, so we have here application fees, airline collection, electricity. So guys, sa electricity, nationwide po yan. And meron din po sila ditong financing, foundations, government, loan, insurance, memorial, online businesses, schools. Ayan o, di ba? Mga matrikula. Pwede ka na magbayad ng matrikula mo dito. And meron din tayo dito mga telco companies, travel, water, and others. Sa others, ano yung others? Ayan. May kita niyo lang po dito. Sobrang dami po. After pay bills, dito naman tayo sa buy e-load. And of course, you just have to input the receiver of the load. And from there, makakapag-send ka na ng load sa kanya if meron kang balance. And right here guys, meron din tayong option na buy items, but I think it's still coming soon. Kaya naman, I just want you to download this application while it's early. And abang-abang tayo sa mga latest updates ng kanilang mga features dito sa ML Wallet. So dito naman sa account, you have the option right here to see your personal information. Ayan, make sure na i-keep mo itong page na to securely. We have here some notification. In my case, wala pa po tayo mga notifications. And some more naman po, makikita nyo lang po yung inyong transaction history, kwarta padala rates. You can also locate some Louvillier branches near you. Some FAQs in case na meron kayong mga katanungan, ano. Of course, terms and conditions. Privacy notice. You can also get their contact numbers dito sa Contact Us. So yeah, that's it guys. And right now, I'm going to share to you my honest review dito sa ML Wallet. It's really user-friendly and napaka-minimalist and straight to the point po siya. Kung ano yung talagang pupuntahan mo, makikita mo agad. But I'm still hoping for more features to come dahil ongoing pa rin po yung kanilang updates. That's why I would like you to stay tuned lang dito sa ML Wallet. You can download the application on the description box below, and you can actually start using this for remittances, for paying bills, buying e-load, and some more features to come. So yun lang naman guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. And kung na-enjoy mo ito, give this video a like, and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa aking mga uploads. And don't forget to subscribe to my second channel, Jazel De Vera Vlogs, okay? So have a nice day, God bless, and goodbye!